Hey, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Y'all know what it is. It's NBA playoffs. We got the sorry-ass Clippers and the motherfucking Phoenix Suns playing. But you know what even better? It's Taco Tuesdays. I'm about to make some of these bomb-ass tacos right now. Get it all the way in. Like I say, you make sure you wash your motherfucking hands before you start touching motherfucking food. Make sure you ain't got no dirt and shit all up under your nails and shit when you mixing shit. Always saute some onions in my tacos. Flavor that meat up real good. You get the meat nice and brown. We ain't eat no red meat, you know. Then you drain all that fat and the grease that's in it. I don't really like my shells real crispy. This one may be a little bit crispier than I normally do. But you know, voila.